Now we shall discuss Info Editor in detail. We know, this area is called Info Editor. On Info Editor header, this area is called Editor Type Selector. These are the menus of Info Editor. This area is called Screen Data Block. This area is called Scene Data Block. This area is called Engine Selector drop-down menu. This area is called Resource Information.